The sun is shining.
I'm getting whacked by a tail.
It's quite warm out there.
I'm getting whacked
I'm getting
by a tail. He was allowed out of his crate for the night for the first time last night and slept on Mum and Dad's bed. And apparently behaved with absolute impeccable manners, and so has been invited back again. Which is very well thought out, guy.
He didn't even wake me up until 7:30.
Which is his usual.
With a
wake-up
kiss.
time. Does that smell good? There's number 12.
Oh, let's maybe like this one.
I'll go Mary Vlogmas.
Oh yeah, no.
No.
Oh.
You can't steal my glory. No.
I shan't. Oh
Yeah.
no, I completely forgot.
Oh.
L. Let's try again. Are you already done for the day?
I'm done for the day.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! I got so excited by calendars and puppies. I forgot.
See, some of us.
I have one job.
I hope these are nice
We
ones.
can't see any of the excitingness that's happening.
Oh,
Oh, we got one.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, there's a lot of chewing going on.
Is that
They're
good?
slightly different colour to usual, aren't they?
Yeah.
What have we got here? Yeah, look, right here. Show
Show the
Peeps.
peeps.
He's like, no, it's delicious. I want to do my face. After the debacle of yesterday.
Yes.
Oh, you could do... Those are really good.
He's helping himself.
These apparently are really good. Day 12 was a success. Okay.
Yeah, this is
day
shan't.
12.
Yeah, these are shan't.
But are you sure?
Have you had yours yet?
No.
Good.
Yeah, no, I'm just checking that it is actually day 12. Milky, 50%. I'm, you know, it'll be nice.
You could put some of my dark chocolate bits in it.
No, I won't steal dark chocolate bits.
Okay.
Yesterday's coconut milk was
it
questionable. It wasn't horrible, I drank it, but it wasn't my favourite. It definitely wasn't my favourite. I swear I didn't make you drink it.
Bleh.
Okay. Puppy. He's like, thanks to my treats, mother.
Yeah.
But here you go. I'll give them to you because otherwise you're going to rustle in the background. Do you want to go on the floor? He's like, no, I want to stay up here. I get treats up here.
Oh, he's gone. Where's my dog? Here you are. Would you like one?
No.
Right.
I didn't bring my phone. I am so woefully unprepared. Does anybody else have a phone with them?
No.
I've got it in my pocket. No.
No.
Okay, whilst you read the story, I'm going to run and grab my
Look,
phone.
I'll go and do that if you like.
Okay. Whilst Dad reads the story, Mum's going to go and grab a phone. It doesn't have to be mine, it can be yours. But now.
Now.
Yeah.
I'll go now. Do you want to come with me?
I'm
Or will you
so
stay?
unprepared.
Are you coming by?
Organised chaos today. I don't know what's happened.
I don't know.
The brain has just left the brain area.
Okay, right, you're quite proud that you've managed to find enough spare parts to get the engine running again. Soon you will pass a signpost with several signs, one of which says Space Parking Lot. Wonderful, Klaus says happily, and accelerates. It's definitely on the racetrack. When I registered, I was told it was an ideal stopover. Out of the corner of your eye, you notice an octopushian.
Oh, is he going to have 8 legs?
Nearby, wildly gesticulating with its 8 arms.
That's a good word.
Yeah, but time is running out and you really need to catch up with the others, so you rush past him with a friendly greeting. There will be an opportunity to chat another time. You fly straight ahead for what feels like an eternity, but the space parking lot is nowhere in sight. You're starting to ask yourself whether you should have talked to the octopushian. After all, when a planet finally appears in front of you, these planets just appear in front of you. Klaus lands and you get out. It is not a space parking lot.
Oh dear.
You find yourself in a dense jungle. The air is humid and heavy, and you're fighting your way laboriously through the house-high plants when suddenly you're surrounded by grim-looking warriors. They point their spears at you threateningly. Yeah. The warriors talk to you, but you understand barely anything. All you can ascertain is that the situation is dire.
Well, we've got spears pointing at us, yes.
Yeah, the warriors seem to insist that you carry out a task. No, they wouldn't, would they?
They would.
Yeah. They give you 4 of them and don't let you out of their sight. Oh, the task involves stone tablets, of which they give you 4.
Okay.
Okay, obviously you're supposed to do something with them. Right, now open door 12.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, you got my phone. I'm trying to open Mum's phone. Where did you find my phone?
On the table where I said it was.
Oh, did you see? Wow, the brain is definitely not in this area today. Okay.
You haven't had your cornflakes, have you?
I haven't, no. Day 12,
12.
in the top right hand corner. What have we got? Stone tablets. This doesn't bode well for solving this quiz.
No.
Oh. Nice little jungle scene.
My favourite pastime, popping out cutouts.
What's this?
I think there's a tortoise in there.
There's a what?
Oh, there's numbers and animals. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, so the crocodile, a cat, a tortoise, all sorts. Well, you can obviously make pictures with the orange, the yellow, and the grey bits. You have a fun back there. You were so I'm trying to get away.
Piece of tinker.
Look at that, I've done it already.
Okay, that looks like a ladybug.
Yeah,
Is there a ladybug in here? This is fun for you.
or somewhere.
Oh, there is a ladybug. 7.
7.
Okay.
This sounds like a good one, isn't it?
I like this one. We haven't had to look at the help
Oh,
thing once.
good.
Is that a tortoise? No, it's a snail. Snail.
Snail. It's good, isn't it?
Snail. Oh, is it going to be a crocodile?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Let me take a photo so you can see, because there is a crocodile in there. So
Yeah.
that's helpful. Let's just double check that we are as clever as we think we are. Oh, no. Oh, no. Day 12. Day 12. 347.
Well,
Ta-da!
we didn't look at the help book once.
No.
Right. Okay. Diagonally down left.
Diagonally down left. Yeah.
Mum's off. She got to walk the dog.
Okay.
Diagonally upright.
That's back to where
I know.
I've come from.
Diagonally down left. L star upside down triangle.
Yeah.
Yeah, day 13.
Okay.
Lovely. I liked that one. We didn't need the help of one.
No.
I always make.
It was a bit simplistic though.
Shush. Anyway, before you disappear as well, what are your plans for the day? I think you've got bridging this
No,
afternoon.
playing bridge this afternoon.
Yes, I'm going to come. No, I've got some editing to do.
Right.
And then I'm going to come down here and finish off my skirt. The rest of my trim arrived. I only needed 25 centimetres more.
Right.
There's 14.91 metres there.
Yep.
I think I'm covered.
You are.
So, yes.
Okay.
Right, okay. So
Good.
we will see you all tomorrow.
Yes.
We will see you later in a minute for hot chocolate review. Okay.
I'm going to have mince pie.
Nice. I'm back down here with my 50% milk chocolate, which is absolutely delicious. What is wrong with me today? Delicious. This is not a complaint, this is an observation. I absolutely love the new office. My new computer is amazing. I am incredibly happy and the sun is shining today. Unfortunately, these things do not combine well. I am not complaining that the sun is shining. It is glorious out there and the sun will be down by about 4:30. I've come back down here and I'm going to work on the skirt today because I cannot see in the office. It's three outer walls are glass and it's beautiful, but yeah, the sun is streaming in and there is no visibility whatsoever. Dad and I have a cunning plan for this. We are going to switch the desks around. There's a bunch of different stuff going to be happening, but that will be February when I can buy the furniture for that room. I am so excited to get that room set up. I think it's going to look really cool and beautiful. It's going to have so much more storage, which is going to work for all of us. Fingers crossed in the setup that I'm imagining it will be an all-weather situation where I can see, because I've even got my sunglasses in there. I thought, yeah, I'll edit with my sunglasses on, that'll be fine. It did not work. So I am going to finish my hot chocolate, then I'm going to work on the skirt. I always overestimate how much time I have or underestimate how long things are going to take me. Both of those things are correct. So I want to do a bunch of things today. I probably will only get the skirt and a few bits of the things done up there as well. So yeah, I think I've given up on the swear editing jar now. I owe it about 40-50 pounds. I don't have that many pound coins, so I'm trying to keep track mentally. You guys will, if any of you are keeping a tally, you'll have to let me know at the end of Vlogmas exactly how much I owe the swear editing jar, because I think it, like I said, I think it's about 40 or 50 quid now. I am going to go on a mini shopping spree as my Christmas present to myself with that money on Vinted. There's a few bits and pieces that I've been eyeing up that I would like. I've actually bought one of them because the price was just too good to be believed, but I've left that up in my room. So I'm going to drink this, sit down, drink this, then I'll go and get my work bag because I brought nothing down with me. Honestly, the brain is not in the brain area today. And I'll show you the skirt that I've bought because as is, I don't think I would ever wear it, but I have a cunning plan. So yeah, let's do that. Fingers crossed the brain wakes up and finds, yeah. Oh, words are hard. I have enjoyed my hot chocolate. I have been up to the house. I have brought down my work bag because I don't have to use my laptop. It's not like I have to immediately have it on me kind of a thing. So it's not computing that I need to have it, like, bring it places. Oh, words and brain is hard today. This is the skirt that I bought. So it's a multi-tier cotton lace skirt from Next. It was, I think, new, something like £65. This one was on Vinted for £4 and it still has its labels on. I really liked the lace and I liked that there were 3 tiers that had the edging on it. There's also solid lace underneath, which I hadn't realised, but I'm very happy about that too. I've been loving these kind of short mini skirts, the certain look that you can achieve with slightly oversized jumpers. I don't know that I would go down that exact route because, as you guys know, I like to emphasize my waist, but with all the fabric that I've got here, I thought I could make myself something along those lines. This is an elasticated waist, which I am not a fan of, so you know, I want to change this, but with all this fabric I should be able to get something that works for me out of this. And then I've also been seeing like lace cuffs, like just detachable lace cuffs to wear under cardigans and things, and pirate core is coming back into fashion. I think the last time it was properly in fashion was the Anglomania collection from Vivienne Westwood, which was a long time ago, and that's the kind of aesthetic that I absolutely love. But all those kind of elements are coming back into fashion, which I'm loving because they're becoming more readily available. I think I've said many times, like, I don't ever aim to be fashionable, I want to be me. But anyway, yes, I got skirt. I'm really pleased with skirt. It is cotton. I am going to have a play around with it and try and make some kind of a mini skirt that I would actually like and that will look really cool with like a chunky jumper, as long as the waist is defined and I've got a nice chunky jumper, lace skirt, thick tight and knee-high boots on. I think that could be a really cute look. Anyway, I'm going to make another short skirt. I'll stop waffling as well, sorry. As you know, Mum and Dad are out this afternoon, so this little one has decided to come down to the sewing studio with me, but he won't sleep on his... Oh, now I'm videoing it. He's like, no video evidence, no video evidence. Come on then, you can go down, because it's really not helpful having you on my lap. It's lovely, but it's not helpful. Okay? Not even a little bit helpful. I know. He's sparked out. Oh no, he's blinking his eyes. He's been so good. He's curled up down there and just gone back to sleep. You're such a good boy. I have almost finished my skirt, but I have some more hand sewing to do. So it needs a hook and bar at the back. It also needs its bias binding sewing, hand sewing up, but I really like how the trim has come out. I think that looks really pretty, and I've got it around this tier and this tier. I was debating putting it into this tier, but I decided against it because this is already bulky at the waistline because of all the gathers, so I didn't want to add extra bulk. But yeah, another little skirt, and I really like the flash of hot orange bias binding underneath. There's a few little extra bits that I need to do around where the trim joins together. There's a gap there, so I just want to sew those 2 bits together, and then the other place I didn't quite get it placed under the machine correctly. I'll see if I can turn it like that. There we go. Yeah, it's overlapping a little bit, so I'm thinking I might actually try and sew those separately, but over here, wherever it is, there, I can just... Oh! Here I can just sew those 2 pieces together. So yes, I think it's going to be very cute. Not sure how often I'll wear it, but it will definitely be a winter skirt for me rather than a summer one because I much prefer wearing short skirts with tights on. But anyway, Dad has just messaged or Alexa down and said that dinner will be 4 minutes away. So I'm going to close everything up down here, take the memory card out of this and go up to the main house so I can do the other thing that I do, my other job, get tomorrow's video done and hopefully one of the proper videos as well, because I have got 2 of those that theoretically could go out. So that is the plan for this evening.
I can't work under these conditions. Hi, beautiful. Oh, are you making biscuits? He never makes biscuits. Hey, you purry monster. You kind of just fell down. What happened? You are a lump.
So I hope you've enjoyed today's Vlogmas and I will see you tomorrow for more of the same and hopefully a finished skirt. Wish me luck with that and I'll see you all then. Bye!